Hi everyone, welcome back to another figure opening. This video I'm going to be starting to open some Power of the Jedi figures. I haven't opened any of them yet on my channel. This is the fan's choice figure number 1. Ellors Madak, if that's how you pronounce it. Let's just get into it. A whole ton of figures there. I have a few of those, actually, already. All right, let's open it. First, we've got plastic, and we've got a little booklet that tells about Ellors Madak. I love that picture just because of the characters so much. Alright, try to close this up. There we go. Let's finish opening it. Alright, there we go. Woo! Here he is. That was easy to come out. Oh, he's got the little gun stuck to his hand. Well, I'll get that off later. Here we are, Ellors Madak. I'm actually collecting all the characters from the Star Wars Mos Eisley Cantina, so another figure to add to the collection. And I'll see you guys in the next figure opening. Bye!